at the starting of Chingni Peak. Well, we're here in the starting of Chingni Peak in Tsinghua Court. See, that's the starting, and look at that stairs again. Okay guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Chingni, papunta sa peak. And as you can see, hagdan na naman siya. And it's already 4 o'clock. So na mag-sunset sa taas. Look at that stairs. That view guys, Chingma Bridge. That's the other peak there. You can go there later after going up these stairs. Okay, dito na kami sa taas. Hopefully, wala nang hagdan. Pero maraming puntod. Malayo pa ata kami dun sa first peak. So yan, may intersections. Of course, dito tayo. Kasi andun yung Stone Cutter Bridge. So we reached the first pavilion, but we're still far from the first peak because Chingni Peak has a 3 divided peaks. The third one is the main peak. That's the highest point. Oh, there's a nice rock. Oh, there's the first peak. Talking about the first peak, and here it is. There it is. Siyempre, pag may pababa, mamaya may paakyat. Matagal ka na talaga hindi nakapag-hike. Some amazing rock formation here. Siya na sa hingal. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung second peak. So I'm correct, that big rock there is the second peak. So I'm going now to the third peak, which is the highest peak here in Chingy. And that's the one for the Go Wild. Check in. Okay. And it's shaded here. And as you can see, it's going down. So it's going up again later. So, I hope we can see the sunset there. Okay, as you can see, that's the step going up the third peak. And my companion is not yet here, so I'm gonna start climbing it now. We already checked in, but we will go to the spot first to take the photo with the Stonecutter Bridge. Para naman hindi sayang yung punta namin. You can see there's some rock formation here, and that's the trigonometric pose of Chingy Peak. Okay. Whew. There you go. Okay, punta muna kami sa likod. A picture dun sa Stonecutter Bridge spot. Bago kami bumaba ulit. Ganito rin pala yung daan. May maganda kasing spot dito eh. That's the Stonecutter Bridge. Wow, guys, look at that. Ganda oh. Wait lang. Okay, going down to the spot. Awanti sunset. So this is the spot. Here, see, there's someone there. Done. Yay. Okay guys, we're here in the Stonecutter Bridge viewing point here in Chingy Peak. So ito yung point. So this is one of the rock na pwede kang mag-take ng photo. Meron pa doon, pero hindi na kami pupunta ron. Ay na dito. Maganda sanang mag-sunset tsaka night light. City lights pala. Nakakatakot yung daan. Okay, time to go now. No sunset today. Okay, going home now. We just descended the steep hagdan. Going to the exit point again.